Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com Crowcoin and give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here. Is Crowcoin a sleeping giant or is it a dead chain? We're going to find out here. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video, guys. Okay, so first things first, over on crypto Twitter, you guys know the drill. Follow me at 333 Black C. I say day 118, yes, 118, proposing crypto.com market buyback and burn Crowcoin with a percentage of quarterly profits. Guys, I'm not going to stop doing this. I'm going to keep doing this. And yes, I know that the SEC served crypto.com a Wells notice. It would be very, very risky for them to implement a cronos Crowcoin burn right now. But that doesn't mean I'm going to let my foot off the gas, guys. We need to keep pushing this message. We need to keep getting behind this message. Because man, oh man, Cronos chain is awfully quiet right now, and I don't like that. I want to see more volume on the chain, and this will make volume come to the chain. This will drive speculation to the Cronos space, send Cronos to $1, guys. That's what I say. You know, now may be a tough time for Crypto.com, miss the SEC lawsuit. However, the Crow fam deserves this conversation, and we do. We do. We have supported Cronos through thick and thin when there was the proof of reserves issue back when FTX collapsed, and when there's been FUD over the past years, and you know what? The Crow fam is stuck by Crypto.com's side. And I think that this conversation is well overdue to have a Crypto.com Crowcoin burn, just to talk about it. Just a little talk. Nothing crazy, just a little talk. We just want to talk about it. You know what I mean, guys? Just a little conversation. But I digress. We can do this conversation together, guys. So please go follow me, 333 Black C, and share this message. All right, so where is Crowcoin right now? Crowcoin is sitting at rank 44, down about 5% on the day. Seeing some very, very interesting price moves today. Coming up on the weekend, you know, weekend price action is usually pretty funky. That's a good way for me to put it, a good adjective for it. Usually the price that the market closes on Fridays usually opens up on Monday at that price, and the weekend price action is negligible. Or if it's a big move to the upside, it gets retraced down by the weekly open. I will say that usually is the tale as old as time, but over the past year or so, the weekend price action has been a little bit more sticky, so we do need to be paying attention to that. But Cronos sitting at rank 44, it's not where I want to see it. I want to see it much higher. And yeah, I still believe that Cronos has a chance to make a big move to the upside. I am a Crowcoin bull. I have hundreds of thousands of Crowcoin, but I will be honest with you guys, it is not my biggest bag, and it is not my highest conviction play like it used to be, unfortunately, guys. I want to tell you how it is here on the Crypto Report. And, you know, my fundamental analysis has changed a little bit. When fundamentals change on a project or an investment, you need to really step back and reanalyze it. It can't just be strictly technical analysis. You need to be looking at the fundamentals. And fundamentally, there has been a change. There has been a change of Crypto.com distancing themselves with Cronos. And I don't like that. That's not that. One of the main reasons why I bought into Crowcoin was because Crypto.com Crowcoin, not Crypto.com Crowcoin. No. And that's what it's becoming. This gap is getting larger and larger and larger, and I don't like it. But I understand where Crypto.com is coming from. I know why they're doing it, because regulation is in a very, very interesting spot right now, and hopefully that lightens up a little bit. We can start to see a little bit more of a, hey, Crypto.com and Crowcoin are one and the same. Hey, maybe we can start to see that as regulations clears up. But that being said, guys, when fundamentals change over an investment that I have a high conviction for, I need to reanalyze that investment, and that's what I've done. I do hold Crowcoin, like I said, but I also is not nearly my biggest position in my cryptocurrency portfolio as of right now. So 24-hour volume, 6.36 million. That's okay, up about 30% on the day. Nice to see that. But market cap dipping below $2 billion. Not a fan. Crowcoin being beneath 0.0830 cent level. You know, guys, I'm not trying to just FUD bags here. Like, this is just me being honest. I'm a Crowcoin investor. I've been in it for a very long time. I'm just being transparent. And, you know, don't kill the messenger, shoot the messenger, as they say. But I'm just telling you guys how I see it. And being beneath 0.0830 cent level is bearish, in my opinion. The magnet brings us down to 0.0689 cents. But if we do start to see a move to the upside here, and we come above 0.0830, then the magnet is 10 cents. Now, this is a very, very important price level that we are chopping around on, and we really would want to see it break above, at least test 0.0830, because it's a deciding factor of how far we're going to go up or how far we're going to go down. And we don't want to come here and test this 0.0689. It is a very, very strong support level, but let's be real here, guys. We are getting closer and closer to the end of the bull market. We want to see positive price action. Maybe implement a Crocoin burn to bring some hype to the Cronos chain. Maybe that's a way. You know, I don't like to just talk badly about a chain or investment without bringing solutions, and that's why I initially brought up the Crocoin burn and why I'm proposing it, because that is a solution, guys. It is a solution. But as of right now, you know, we're going to be patient. We're going to be patient to see what Bitcoin does. And guys, if you think that Crocoin is going to go straight to the moon, or you think it's going to go dump down and you want to short all the Cronos meme coins, then please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below and sign up to Blowfin for a $5,000 sign-on bonus. And you can long or short some of these meme coins. Whether or not you think the market's going up or down, you can make money both ways. Please leverage trade at your own risk, guys. It's a very useful tool, but it is very risky. But all you got to do is click that link, deposit, trade a bit, and you get a bunch of free money. So where is Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is really where we need to be keeping our eyes on here. I've been talking about this for a while now. And usually, this is a tale as old as time. Bitcoin is the tide that raises the boats here. We're trading at $67,213. Guys, today, there was some crazy news article that came out saying that Tether was getting sued by the SEC, and it was fake. It was fake. How about that? Cryptocurrency, fake news. How about that? It happens way too often. So USDT and the entire market dumped, and now we're basically back where we started on the trading day opening. So it's pretty funny how that works out. But Bitcoin dominance, guys. Look at this. Look at this. 58%. Excluding stablecoins, that is a 60% Bitcoin dominance level, okay? The top is close. The top is close for sure for Bitcoin dominance. The altcoins, I mean, look at Ethereum. Ethereum is bleeding out. Ethereum is, that's a whole separate video. Ethereum is moving in such a strange way, such an overcrowded trade. That's this is one of the trades that has performed very poorly for me. It was an overcrowded trade, and I didn't recognize it at the time. But I still have Ethereum, and Ethereum moves in very interesting ways as well. It's very similar to Crocoin, where it will move towards the end of the cycle, make humongous moves, and you better time that top, because when it starts coming down, the entire market gets wiped out with it. So be prepared to see Ethereum make a big, big move, and it's very similar to Crocoin. Crocoin usually performs very well at the end of the bull market, and we're still waiting for that big move to the upside for Bitcoin, and I think we're getting very, very close to that, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin here. We have retested a very important level at about $66,000, and now we're bouncing off of it on the daily. Look at those wicks, though. It's insane. Just flushing people out. Bitcoin needs to make a decision here, guys. Are we going to come up and test previous highs at $74,000 into November, or are we going to sell off and just continue this long chop that we are so familiar with, that we've been chopping around for 8 whole months? Are we going to continue that chop? I lean to the idea of no, we're not. I think that November is going to be a very, very nice bullish month. Based on previous events for Bitcoin price action, anytime September closes in the green, there's an 80% chance that the following quarter is green. Okay, we're in that following quarter, so let's pay attention here, guys. I think that there's a good chance that we make our move to the upside, and hopefully, Crocoin moves with it. I mean, guys, I really don't want to be a big bear. I know you guys love Crocoin. I love Crocoin. I like the Cronos space. I've made a lot of friends in the Cronos space, but man, it is lagging, guys. It is lagging. It's not a good time. It's not a good time to be a Cronos investor, and we need to see a little bit of a change here, and I think that's why I keep hammering the Crocoin proposal for Crocoin burn, because that is a solution to a problem, to bring volume to this chain, guys. A lot of people are just building on Cronos and moving off of it because the volume's not there. The volume's not there. It's as simple as that. But guys, let me know in the comments section below. Do you think that Cronos is going to have an absolutely massive run? Will we see a Cronos meme coin season 2? Or is this all over and this is becoming a zombie chain? You know, like I said, guys, I don't want to be a huge bear, but I tell it how I see it. Tell it how I see it. And if you don't like that, then go watch somebody else that's just being a moon boy all the time. But I want to be honest with you guys and tell you guys from a veteran in the cryptocurrency space. I've been in here for nearly a decade. I want to give you guys my opinion on what I think is going on. And that's what I see. And I could be wrong. You know, I still, like I said, yes, I still hold hundreds of thousands of Crocoin, okay? I have skin in the game, so I'm not just, my words are not meaningless. I'm in this game. But guys, let me know in the comments below, do you think that Crocoin will break $1 this cycle? Very curious, very curious. It could totally happen if Bitcoin starts getting a huge influx of money and the market cap goes up another $1 trillion. Crocoin's probably going to perform well. We've been seeing a lot of larger crypto influencers as well start to take some deals with Crypto.com. We are not paid by Crypto.com, but I've seen some other people start to get sponsored, like Cryptos R Us, Crypto Lark Davis. I've seen a few others, so they're increasing their marketing. They know that this bull market's coming, and maybe that means that Crocoin is going to perform very, very well. That's all I got for you guys. Please hit that like button. I will see you in the next one.